Well, here we are again, loading the tanker. I guess that's about 40 feet, something like that. And we're loading it with Emulsion. You can see all the smoke coming out. That's not steam, that's smoke, and it's raining. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, there you go. So, on top of everything else, it's raining. We got lightning. That might show up in this video. Let's see if we can see down into the hole. I still can't. Got my flashlight on. Still can't see the hole. Alright. Anyway. So that's the story. Another day of loading tankers. But today, the story is rain and lightning. But we didn't see any of this video. But it's here. Trust me.